Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 18th of February. Mild late winter weather headlines to forecast, and again, maybe flirting with record highs by Sunday. Let's take a look at the Skycam shots early this morning. First off, coming from downtown Fayette, up in northwest Alabama. Pretty mild out there this morning. Most spots are in the 50s. There's a look at downtown Clanton in Chilton County. And way down, or way up north in Decatur, I should say. Look at that moon shining over the Tennessee Valley up in Morgan County. Upper level high over the Gulf. 588 circle just south of the Louisiana coast. The prime westerlies are north of us. The main wave action stays way up north for a while. Down below that, a really deep surface low is just north of the Great Lakes with a trailing front. It's passed on through St. Louis and nearing Oklahoma City. It's noticeably colder behind that front, but out here it's pretty mild ahead of it with readings mostly in the 50s. Birmingham, in fact, this morning at 58 degrees at 5 o'clock. That is just about the average high for today. Now, the average high today is 59, so you know it's going to be warm later when it's that warm at 5 o'clock. But around the nation, you can see much colder air behind that front. That's a little bit of that air that came off that big Arctic high over the Northwest Territories. As cold as 15 below zero up to the north of the Canadian border. And you can see that it's below zero in parts of Montana and North Dakota this morning. So we'll keep an eye on that. But initially, the upper winds will not allow that in here. Watch warning map. A few scattered winter weather issues up north and out west, but nothing happening around here. And rain for the next 5 days, really hardly anything. This is valid through Tuesday evening of next week, and we've got one weak front tonight. Don't expect anything of significance at all with that. And then another one early next week, and maybe a few showers with that. But clearly, this pattern does not favor really significant rain. This is the 06C GFS at noon today at 500 millibars. There's your shortwave energy north of us over the Great Lakes, big trough out west of the California coast, and of course we have that warm ridge in place. Kind of a mixture of clouds and sunshine today. Low 70s are likely. And again, maybe a shower on that front north of us. This is tonight at midnight, and you can see how there's just nothing out there. I mean, I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower tonight, but certainly not worth the mentioning in the forecast based on this. And then tomorrow, looks like a pretty decent day to kick off the weekend. Now, there's a huge discrepancy in the modeling here. The NAM wants to cool us down to 64. The GFS is 10 degrees warmer at 74. And we're thinking the GFS is on it this time. And Sunday, again, partly sunny. You got some green north of here. We think it will be dry. And mid-70s are likely. That's the day we could be flirting with records. Really, both days we could. Very warm this weekend with partly sunny conditions. Monday of next week, here comes the next energy passing north of us. The ridge is beat down just a little bit. So again, maybe there's a little better upper support here. But again, you can see not much Monday in terms of rain. We might mention a few widely scattered showers Monday or Monday evening, nothing beyond that. And then Tuesday, that colder high begins to nose in from the north. So we do think temperatures will drop on Tuesday. In fact, the latest GFS has got us down to 58, which is where we should be for this time of the year. For now, we have low 60s, but whatever, it will be a bit cooler on Tuesday. Nothing dramatically cold. And then Wednesday, we warm back up. We might be down in the low and mid-30s Wednesday morning, but again, we'll be in the low and mid-60s by afternoon. Thursday, sunny of next week, upper 60s are likely. And then a week from today, that's Friday the 25th, pretty mild. Wouldn't be shocked if we got up in the 70s. And again, there's a front coming in. The prime surface low is north of us, but that might squeeze out a few showers. Again, I don't think it's going to be really widespread or beneficial, but it might rain a little bit a week from today. Check the end of the forecast, March 4th. The westerlies a little farther south. Shortwave action coming through, and that suggests maybe a chance of showers or storms. And hey, it's March. It's spring tornado season. Wettest month of the year. Should be raining more often in March. And then on the 5th, that's gone. But the really cold air stays north of us. That's a 1,044 millibar high. And it's going to be kind of shallow. But again, Even a shallow cold air mass like that could get us easily down in the sub-freezing range. But still, no big eastern trough. And again, the NAO kind of hugs the neutral line out there in early March. And if you really want to see a big cold air shot, you want to see that thing kind of go negative with the trough setting up over the east. And again, understand, we've got plenty of cold shots left, but unless that thing goes really strongly negative, the odds of a major Arctic blast will stay fairly small. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Weather.